Everyone loves to use YouTube, but sometimes you want to delete your YouTube account. It might be due to some reason, or if you're a YouTuber and you don't want to take your YouTube channel to the next level and you have some problems regarding to any issues, then you want to delete your YouTube account. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can delete your YouTube account easily with a single click. But before moving this, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So either like or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to get notified for the more videos. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Anurag. You're watching daily tutorials. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can delete your YouTube account. It's very easy and simple process. Let me take you to my laptop screen and let's do it. So right now you are at my YouTube channel and it's a very simple process of deleting YouTube account. All you have is to click on this button and here you will see a lot of different options. All you have is to go to the settings, and once you will click on the settings, you will see a page, and here you have to go to the advanced settings. It's a very simple process. First go to the settings and then advanced settings. Here you will see a button which is known as delete channel. So once you will click on it, it will delete your YouTube account. So it's a very simple and easy process. But before clicking on it, you have to make sure that you have choose the right YouTube account and you are going to delete the right YouTube account that you want to delete. So I think you may like this video. If you do like, please don't forget to hit the like button. So either like or dislike, but do subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time.